In our day-to-day life, we have came across many chemical reactions. But how do we know that whether the reactions are balanced or unbalanced? So in this video, we will find out. First of all, the reaction to be balanced, the number of atoms in the reactant side as well as in product should be equal. But here, the amount of oxygen was not equal in reactant side as well as in product side. So now the question is, can we balance this reaction? Yes. So let us go step by step how we can balance this equation. Step 1. Draw boxes around the element. While doing this step, we can ensure that while we are balancing the equation, we are not changing the values of element inside the boxes. Step 2. List the number of atoms in both product side as well as in reactant side in a table. We want to list the number of atoms in reactant side a separate column and the number of atoms in product side a separate column. And we want to do a tabular form like this. The last but not least, the final step is check and balance the values in both sides. So in this equation, the number of atoms in oxygen in both sides was not equal. The number of atoms in product side was lesser than number of atoms in reactant side. So how we can balance this equation? Yes. We can multiply the number of atoms in product side with 2 to make the equation balanced. So now the question is, this is the equation balanced? No. This is partially balanced. Because while multiplying 2 in the product side, the hydrogen values also will become 2 times, which results in 4. Now, the number of atoms in oxygen was equal in both sides, but the number of atoms in hydrogen was unbalanced. So how we can balance this equation again? Yes, you got it. We can multiply the number of atoms in reactant side with 2 to balance this equation. So we converted the hydrogen plus oxygen gives water into 2 hydrogen plus oxygen gives us 2 H2O. So now the question is whether this equation balanced? The answer is yes. This equation was a balanced equation. So I believe that you got a clear idea how to balance the chemical equation. I will give you some practice questions. So by solving this, you can balance chemical equations correctly without any mistakes and also in a speed manner. Magnesium plus oxygen gives us magnesium oxide. Iron plus water gives us iron oxide plus hydrogen. So balance these chemical equations and post it in the comment section below. I will check out your answers and reply you very soon. And let's meet in next video.